Dang hadu kajan met khat lai terik mentau benaya yong kesenem arhajar arpau. Kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadang don hapedeng ka jing sngus kem baga Jylla jungi kadang lat nuk nyang jingpang corona ha ka bagi pat baru kiladon ya ka jing sngus ngai. Henry tang hadian kendiat kenta ka jinglong jingman ka nong ba shlong bad ha ka Jylla hi berokawai kala kensan hadian bala penti kena bo we ni kinong shong shnong ni ka Jylla ulayo yau ni nyang jingpang.
Kamet jung ka khat lai tarik mentau benaya yong arhajar arpau kadai kamit ke balapan kendit bat wanra ya ke jing shepting ya ke babun ke nong shong shnong ke Jylla kamtam ha ke ni ke nong ba shlong hadian ba umentri rang ba ke ni ke Jylla Meghalaya u konrad kongkal sangma kumba ha ke por shipau shiteng ulapan benapat ba bahan nong ba shlong ladon urang ba u belangat ya uknyang jingpang COVID-19 Unong seng jong ke Bethany Hospital Shillong u Doktor John L. Silo rentatiang undai ubaneng kong ban ngat hauniu knyang jingpang ubasir khaitam menta ubalasar ya ke jing im jong bun ki briu hakeleng ki ri jong ka perthai hadian balayo ya ke ni ke jingpang uni u Doktor shimla shanslem hendrai tang ha ke step hangap jong ka khat santarik menta ubana yayong arajar arpo kumba ha kapur arsiteng ai ulaklat no Kumno uniu rangba ulangat hauniu knyang jingpang hadu menta 4 syai namar uklemwan pai ne kiwei pat ke Jylla ni nasabari.
Friends, we are still going into the investigation of this case, but on the preliminary investigation that is there, the information that is coming to us is that one of the relatives of the concerned person had a travel history to one of the infected countries and was back in Shillong before the 14-day quarantine period was over. And though the person continued to inform 108 and registered himself and took all the precautions, sometimes what they call in medical terms, there are asymptomatic cases also, which do not show any symptom, but you could be a carrier. So therefore, there is a high chance that it could have been passed on from there. But of course, these are only preliminary informations that we're getting. We're looking at all the different possibilities on how this could have happened. The coronavirus, which is the COVID-19 virus, is a flu. And 85% of the people who get this flu are either asymptomatic, which means they show no symptoms, or are people who will have very, very light symptoms like light fever, flu, or a cough and won't even realize it. And most probably after 14 days in most cases, and in some cases after 20 days, 21 days, these symptoms and the flu is gone. So 85% will be facing this kind of a problem. There are only about 10 to 15% cases where you might see individuals who might need some medical attention. You might have 3 to 5% cases which might have require ventilation. But in general, most of the cases, anything between 85 to 95% of the cases are cases which are not critical. At the end, I would like to assure all the citizens of our state that please take care of yourself, and I want to assure you that you need not worry. The government and the health department and the administration is very much in control of the situation. As I said, in the last 18 hours, we have identified more than 2,000 people. We have quarantined and closed the institutions. We have contact traced all the primary and the secondary contacts. And we are in the process of ensuring that more and more tests will take place.
Kasorka Jylla hadin balapenti kena bhaya ka khubor bo Dr. Sailu ulabet yauniu knyang jingpang hakani hikasngi kalapen mi ya hukum ban khang dam no shisendon ya Bethany Hospital Shillong bat ban set kut shuwa ya baro kinong trei kinong pang bat kinong apang kibadon hakani ka hospital nakbenta ban yo le quarantine bat ban pethu ya kot ka khya jongki ke sarkar kalapan mi ru ya ke jing betha bagi tu ki breu ke bayarung ya mi hakene ke hospital nadu ke arphau ar tarik ulber kidai ban ajing tip saki bor sarkar khanang baki bor sarkar kinyo bud dien ya ke koit ke khia jongki hakene ke sngi ke sarkar kalapan mi ru ya ke hukum ban khang dam shisndon ya ke surak bemarjan jong ke hospital khanang baki pat ba kinom yo ban yat ban yeng marjan syakene ke hospital nakaliang ke Port District kalapan mi ika hukum bapinjari da ke curfew habaro kawai ke nong ba shilong ban pintik na baki nong shok shinong kin nam mi shabar kanang baki bor sarkar kinyo ban shemi ki lat kilanti ki bapura ban tek lakam ya ke jingsa priang jong ni uknyang na Bethany Hospital.